Now, here's how you can make your Apple Watch count steps. Well, the good thing about it is that there isn't really much what you need to do, as the Apple Watch is going to track steps automatically. All you need to do is to make sure that you have the Apple Watch properly on your wrist so it can access your heart rate and hand movement and everything that it needs in order to track your steps properly. In order to view the step count, you can just do so directly on the Apple Watch by going inside of the activity application. And as you can see at the top, we have the general view. So you scroll through the calories, workout minutes, and stand hours. And at the bottom completely, we have the step count. So currently it's 15. Obviously, it's not my main Apple Watch. So yeah, that's how I can check it out. Also, it is possible to see it directly on your iPhone, which is paired to that Apple Watch. Again, you need to just look up the activity or fitness app, and the same thing is going to be right here in the summary. So as you can see, the step count is 15. So it is pretty simple, and there isn't much what you need to do really in order to make sure that it works, right? Also, one important thing, in order to make sure that it is accurate, you need to update your information about yourself, mostly your height and weight, for the Apple Watch to determine the amount of steps and calories. It's mostly for the calories, and the steps should be the same, but it's always a good idea to keep it updated. Also, some people were asking about showing or displaying the step count directly on the watch face. Well, currently the fitness app from Apple doesn't offer this functionality or any kind of complication. However, you can download a third-party tracking app, right? Something like Pedometer. You can see this is an app which also tracks your step. It uses the very same technology. The amount of steps is going to be the same, but you can get this app. And as you can see, there is the Apple Watch application as well. And there is the ability to add it to your complication somewhere on the Apple Watch, right? So you can see it directly, but you'll need to use a third-party app like this one to see the display directly on the watch. So here is essentially all that I know about tracking steps on your Apple Watch. If you have any other questions, let me know about them down below in the comments, but that's going to be about it. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.